Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into the world of watercraft cleaning with the Drill Brush Power Scrubber by Useful Products. If you're a boat enthusiast like me, you know the struggle of keeping your vessel pristine. But fear not, because this handy tool is here to save the day. Let's talk about efficiency. With its rugged 5-inch diameter and medium blue bristles, this brush means business. Whether you're tackling pond scum, algae, oily residue, or oxidation, this bad boy gets the job done fast. And with its 1/4-inch quick change shaft, it fits seamlessly into all cordless drills and impact drivers, making cleaning a breeze. But it's not just about speed, it's about effectiveness too. The nylon bristles are tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces like fiberglass, gel coat, aluminum, and even sail. Plus, it's reusable, so you can count on it for the long haul. Now, let's talk results. A clean hull means smoother sailing, and that's exactly what you'll get with the Drill Brush Power Scrubber. Say goodbye to drag and hello to efficiency. And with its versatility, you can use it on kayaks, personal watercraft, boats, canoes, party barges, you name it. And here's the cherry on top, Drill Brush stands behind their product with a 90-day, no questions asked return policy. If you're not satisfied, they'll issue a full refund or replacement. That's confidence in action. So, if you want to spend less time cleaning and more time on the water, do yourself a favor and pick up the Drill Brush Power Scrubber. Your watercraft will thank you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.